Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Marley Kayden, here to take you through today's trading action. Continued geopolitical risk between Israel and Iran set stocks to the downside. The Nasdaq and Russell each trimmed 1%, while the S&P closed 0.8% lower. The Dow shed 0.7. All sectors except energy closed lower as well. Healthcare saw the biggest losses, down 1 2/3%. Consumer discretionary shed 1.5%. Now let's turn to some of our biggest stock movers. Microsoft's partnership with OpenAI sees a new rift today. The Wall Street Journal said OpenAI executives accuse the Mag 7 giant of anti-competitive behavior and may seek federal regulatory review of their contract. Microsoft invested $13 billion into OpenAI, but now its share of future profits is a point of conflict. Both companies disagree with how much Microsoft will take in a future restructuring. Meanwhile, Microsoft shares have hit an all-time high this week. And sticking with AI headlines, Jabil soared to all-time highs after the CEO said it outperformed in its cloud and data center businesses. The tech manufacturer beat on the top and bottom line while raising guidance for EPS and revenue for fiscal 2025. After earnings, Jabil announced plans to spend $500 million into expanding its footprint in the Southeast U.S. And solar stocks like First Solar, Enphase, and Sunrun plunged as much as 40% after the Senate retained plans to cut solar and wind energy tax credits. The latest version of President Trump's Big Beautiful Bill would phase out credits on related projects within 3 years. The current policy, passed by former President Biden, would keep those credits until 2032. Enphase tapped a 5-year low. Sunrun slipped to a 7-year low. Another stock moving with volatility today was Reddit, rallying as much as 15% before closing 6% higher. The move came a day after the social media company announced 2 new AI advertising tools that help advertisers use post-marketing decisions. The social media company stock is up more than 175% from its 52-week low. Tomorrow, be sure to tune in at 2 p.m. Eastern for a special Fed episode of The Watch List, a full 1-hour reaction to the latest FOMC rate decision, and Jerome Powell's press conference. Elsewhere on the economic data front, keep an eye out for the data on housing starts and permits, as well as jobless claims. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Marley Kayden. Remember, you can tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.